Okay, so now we're gonna make the wheel. I'm gonna take a picture of this, and you should too. Essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna sketch this profile here, and we're gonna make a line where the center would be, and we're gonna revolve that around, and then we will like fillet these edges, and then we'll do a cutout and circular pattern that. All right, so in Onshape, um, go into your folder. Oh shoot! Go into your folder and open up the where we started the train engine, and then hopefully you have the smokestack in here now too, and make sure you're naming these because you're going to get a lot of tabs open down here as you work on this. So we're going to add a new part studio, and we're going to call it the wheel. Okay, so let's start a sketch here. View normal to sketch plane. Okay, we're going to make a line and make it a construction line. This is so you select the tool and then the construction command. So this is going to be the line we're going to revolve the profile around, and then we're going to make another line, and the whole of the wheel in the center is a diameter of 0.28. So we're going to make this half of that because when we revolve it, then it will double that length. All right, so now we're going to go, let's see. So we need the line tool again. Let's make this line 0.25. And let's go up. Let's go up 0.25 minus 0.14. Then we're going to go in 0.125. Let's go up 0.75 minus 0.14. Let's go over 0.125. And then up 0.25. All right, and then we're going to make a line here and up till we're level with that. And let's see, we want a point I'm going to use the line tool to connect this. And then make a circle. If you kind of hover along the line, it will highlight once you get to the midpoint. So we want the circle to be at the midpoint and then just constrain it to the point here. All right, and then we will trim this. And then let's revolve this. So finish the sketch and revolve. All right. So now we want to fillet the, so we're going to fillet this edge. Let's change it to, it's going to be 0.0625. Let's do enter. And then this, and I think that's it. All right. Okay, looks good. Now we are going to start a sketch on the back. And view normal to sketch plane. Okay, so now we are going to do the cutouts in the wheel. And let's see here, we're gonna make 2 circles. So we're gonna make a big circle for the outer end of the cutoff, and it says the radius is 0.625, and since a circle is dimensioned by the diameter, we're gonna multiply that by 2. And then the inner circle, the radius is 0.375. We'll multiply that by 2. Okay, and then let's see here. We want a line tool, and we're going to make a line. And it looks like it is 75 degrees. From the x-axis. So put in a line, connect it here and to the outside circle, and then we're going to dimension it. Click the line and then click the x-axis. We want that to be 75 degrees. And then use the line tool again. And we also want this to be 75 degrees. Okay, and now we are going to trim the like the whole outside part of the circle, and this line and this line. So we just have this. And we can then circular pattern this sketch. You can see it there, and we want to circular pattern it. Let's see, 6 times. All right, finish the sketch, go to extrude, select all those, and we want to remove, and through all, and there we go. Okay. And then now we are going to do the little notch on the front. So we want to start a sketch on this front face. So right click on this face and start sketch. And then do the view normal to sketch plane. And we're going to use the point tool. Just going to put a point here on the x-axis. And then we want to dimension it from the origin. And we want it to be 0.7. Okay. Then we're going to make a circle. Suppose we could have just done the circle and dimensioned the center, but right, so we're going to make a circle, diameter of 0.25. We're going to extrude that. And you need to select the little piece over there too. For some reason it doesn't select the whole thing. We're going to extrude it 0.375. And then now we want to start a sketch on the top of the circle there. And I'm going to make another circle. Let's see, 0.125. And extrude that. 0.125. Okay. And then the last thing is start a sketch on top of that circle. View normal to sketch plane. And we want a hole essentially, but I'm just going to do a circle and extrude it. 0.0625. We're going to finish sketch and extrude. We want to remove, and we want it to be 0.25 depth. Okay. And that should be it.